Hello class and welcome to week 7 of Psych 508. So as always, make sure that you connect with me as you need. We are down to our final 2 weeks of class, and as a result there is a lot that needs to be finished and completed within these 2 weeks. As you know, within the class structure of Bramman, we kind of end one term and go to the next, and it's important to really stay on top of things and connect with me as you need. When we get into the week 7 shell, you're going to see the spotlight summary, so make sure that you listen to that, get your brain rolling about what we're going to be talking about. You can go here and see the week 7 chart, and we click on the week at a glance. There's some course learning objectives, a chart that reviews what is due. So those items that are in black are not graded, those that are in blue are graded. We go back here, we'll see a similar graphic, the chapters, the reading materials, and what to work on. So within week 8, you have your movie response paper number 3. So if you have time this week, start thinking about that. What is due this week is on this side. You have a discussion board. Your digital storytelling project is due Wednesday by midnight, and I will tell you why in a moment, and your participation points. In the course materials folder, you will find PowerPoints for chapters 14 and 15. If we go into the assignments folder, you will first see this discussion board prompt. Basically, for your initial posting, you are to post your digital storytelling project this Wednesday by midnight. So that is why the digital storytelling project is due Wednesday by midnight, because you're going to need to post it on the discussion board form. So that's your initial posting, is your digital storytelling project. And for your response posting, you're to watch at least 3 of your peer submissions and provide feedback. Your feedback postings, your response postings are due Sunday by midnight. So your initial posting is to submit your digital storytelling projects on the discussion board Wednesday by midnight, and to respond to at least 3 peers Sunday by midnight in their digital stories. Below here is an instructional video about the digital storytelling project. You're going to see the prompt here that takes you step by step with what you need to include in the digital story. There is the rubric here that also allocates where the points will be for the digital storytelling project. And then there's a resource folder talking about Animato. So you're going to notice in the instructions it asks you to use Animato. However, I believe it also states if there's some other tool, you can use that as well. But this folder will include an example of what a digital storytelling project without narration looks like, because that's the important thing. You're not going to have your voice. You're going to be narrating using text and the images that you choose. A guide about the digital storytelling process, and a link to Animato's page that helps you to use this tool if you want. So if you decide to use something else, the main thing is that you're going to be utilizing text, you're going to be using pictures to tell your story. And then the rubric for the participation down here. So that's what we have for this week. Please let me know. We'll go back to week 7 real quick. You do have an activities folder that has an article and several videos as well. And reach out to me as you need. We are getting down to the wire. I look forward to reviewing your digital stories. It's always such a wonderful assignment because you're able to apply what we're learning in this class to your own life. And it really helps for usually the class to connect in a different way as we get to know everyone in a different light too. So I look forward to that. Reach out to me as you need, and I am always here. Thank you.